In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website using HubSpot's powerful CMS hub. HubSpot is known for its innovative tools and intuitive interface, allowing you to create, manage, and optimize your online presence with ease. To kick things off, the first step is to set up your HubSpot account. You can either create a new account or log into an existing one. HubSpot typically offers a free CRM account, and for most website building functionalities, you'll be looking into their CMS Hub plans. However, if you're just looking to test the waters, there's a free website builder option available as well. Next, let's navigate to the website section within your HubSpot dashboard. You'll want to head over to the Content tab and select Website Pages. Here you have the option to choose between website pages for your main site content or landing pages for those targeted campaign-driven pages. This section is your hub for all things related to building and organizing your website. When you're ready to start creating, go ahead and click Create. You'll need to decide whether you're creating a website page or a landing page. Each serves a different purpose, so choose based on your immediate needs. Now, it's time to select a theme or template. HubSpot offers a diverse collection of both free and premium themes that align with various brand and website goals. Selecting the right template that resonates with your brand identity is crucial, so take some time to explore your options. With a template selected, you can start customizing your page. HubSpot's drag-and-drop editor is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to add and arrange modules, sections, and columns as you see fit. Drag elements like text, images, videos, forms, and buttons from the left-hand panel to your page. As you click on individual modules, customize their content, styling, and settings to match your vision. Don't forget to utilize HubSpot's AI Content Assistant for generating or refining content. It's a handy tool to enhance your text. Moving on to customizing global elements, let's look at the header. Access the Global Content Editor to tailor your website header by adding your logo, creating a navigation menu, and incorporating search bars or call-to-action buttons. Then, edit the global footer to include essential information such as copyright details and social media links. Optimization is key, so don't overlook SEO and user experience. Within page settings, configure the title, URL slug, meta description, and featured image to boost search engine visibility. Also, remember to preview your site across different devices to ensure it's mobile-friendly and responsive. If you have a custom domain you'd like to use, you can connect it within your HubSpot settings. This step is optional but recommended for a professional touch. Once you're happy with everything, save your changes and publish the pages to make them live. Ensure you publish all linked pages and global content, like headers and footers, so they display correctly on your site. A few additional considerations as you wrap up. If you plan to have a blog, explore the blog section within CMS Hub to create and manage posts. Also, consider integrating forms to capture leads and gather information from visitors. Finally, thorough testing is vital. Check all functionalities before and after publishing to ensure everything works as expected. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building a website on HubSpot. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating!